So friends, let's have a look on very good example on limit. We have to find the value of the limit x tends to 0, 1 by x to the power 8 into 1 minus cos of x square by 2 minus cos of x square by 4 plus of cos of x square by 2 into cos of x square by 4. Okay, now look how to solve this numerical. So, this limit can be written as limit x tends to 0, 1 by x to the power 8. Now, this trigonometric expression inside the first bracket can be factorized in the form of 1 minus cos of x square by 2 into 1 minus cos of x square by 4. Okay? Clear? Now, each of these factor can be written in the form of 1 minus cos theta. And we know 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2. So, we can written as limit x tends to 0, 1 by x to the power 8, 1 minus cos of x square by 2. If we apply the formula 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So, this result will be 2 sin square theta is x square by 2. So, theta by 2 will be x square by 4. So, this will be x square by 4. Okay, clear? Into this 1 minus cos of x square by 4 can be written as 2 sin square x square by 8. Okay? So, this can be written as 2 into 2, that is 4, limit x tends to 0, sine of x square by 4 into sine of x square by 8 divided by x to the power 4 whole square. Is it? So, this is sine square x square by 4 into sine square x square by 8 divided by x to the power 4 whole square, that is x to the power 8. Okay? Now, this can be written as 4 into limit x tends to 0, sine of x square by 4 divided by x square by 4 into limit x tends to 0, sine of x square divided by 8 by x square divided by 8. So, x square is x to the power 4 and 4, 8, 32. So, we have to adjust in this way 1 by 32 whole square. Is it clear? So, all of we know that limit x tends to 0, sin t divided by t is equal to 1. So, if we consider x square by 4 as t, so this will be limit t tends to 0, sin t divided by t form. Okay. So, this result will be 1. So, each of the limit should have result 1. So, the result become 4 into 1 into 1 into 1 by 32 whole square. Okay. So, that means it is 4 divided by 32 whole square. So, 4 divided by 32 whole square means the result become 1 divided by 256. Okay, understand? So, this was a very interesting question. Please remember the trick how to solve this. Okay, now come to the next question. So, friends, let's have a look on another very good example. We have to find the value of n such that limit x tends to 0 box of sine inverse x by x plus box of 2 square sine inverse 2x by x plus box of 3 square sine inverse 3x by x plus dot dot till box of n square sine inverse nx by n is equal to 100. Okay. Now look how to solve this numerical. We know sine inverse x always greater than x. Okay. So, definitely we can say sine inverse x by x is less than 1 plus delta and it is greater than 1 when x tends to 0. Okay, clear? That means we can say limit x tends to 0, sine inverse x by x is equal to 1. Now look, if we multiply it by n, or capital N is a natural number, we can say sine inverse nx by nx into n must be less than n plus delta and greater than n, where n is a natural number. Okay, so we can say limit x tends to 0, box of n sine inverse nx divided by nx must be is equal to n. Is it clear? Because n is the natural number. So on the basis of this result, we can easily solve this numerical. Look, the left hand side can be written as limit x tends to 0, box of sine inverse x by x plus box of 2 cube into sine inverse 2x by 2x, okay, plus 3 cube into sine inverse 3x divided by 3x, okay, plus dot dot till n cube into sine inverse nx divided by nx, and the right hand side given as 100. Is it? So as limit x tends to 0, so definitely box of sine inverse x by x will be given as 1. So this result is 1. Similarly, limit x tends to 0, 2 cube sine inverse 2x by 2x box, these results will be 2 cube according to this formula. Okay. So we can write the second part is 2 cube. Similarly, this third part will be 3 cube. Similarly, the last term will be limit x tends to 0, box of n cube sine inverse nx by nx is equal to n cube. And this is equal to 100 given. Is it? So this is simply the left hand side, simply the series n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So we can write n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is equal to 100, which gives n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Which gives the value of n is equal to 4. Okay. So limit x tends to 0, box of sine inverse x by x plus box of 2 square sine inverse 2x by x plus dot dot till box of n square sine inverse nx by x is equal to 100, then the value of n become 4. I think the question is very easy. Only the main part of this solution is limit x tends to 0, n into sine inverse nx by nx box is equal to n, where n is a natural number. Okay, understand? So please remember this trick. Now come to another question. So friends, let's have a look on another good example. We have to find the value of limit x tends to 0, box of 100x by sin x plus box of 99 sin x by x. Okay. Now look how to solve this numerical. So we know x is greater than sin x. Okay. And also we know when x tends to 0, x by sin x is greater than 1 and less than 1 plus of delta. Okay. Also, when x tends to 0, then sin x by x is less than 1 and greater than 1 minus of delta. So that is why we say limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Now if we multiply it by 100 in all sides of this first inequality, that is 100x by sin x is greater than 100 and less than 100 plus of delta. Okay. Similarly, if we multiply it by 99 at all sides of this inequality, we'll get 99 sin x by x is less than 99 and is greater than 99 minus of delta, where delta are infinitely small positive quantity. Okay. So box of 100x by sin x can be considered as 100 when x tends to 0. That is limit x tends to 0, box of 100x by sin x can be written as directly 100. Okay. Because a number is greater than 100 and less than 100 plus of delta, if we take box of this number, the result will be 100. Okay. Similarly, in this case, we can say box of 99 sin x divided by x is nothing but 98. Because 99 sin x by x is less than 99 and greater than 98 when x tends to 0. So definitely if we take box, the results will be 98. So we can say that is limit x tends to 0, box of 99 sin x divided by x is equal to 98. So when x tends to 0, the value of box of 99 sin x by x will be 98. So what is our required results? So limit x tends to 0, box of 100x by sin x plus box of 99 sin x by x, 99 sin x by x, the result is limit x tends to 0, box of 100x by sin x, which is equal to 100, plus limit x tends to 0, box of 99 sin x by x, which is equal to 98. Okay. So this is 100 plus 98. So the answer is 198. Understand? So I think it is very easy. Now come to the next question. So friends, let's have a look on another good example. We have to find the value of limit x tends to infinite fx such that f of x is equal to 1 upon 3 f of x plus 1 plus 5 divided by f of x plus 2. And it is also given fx is positive for every real values of x. Okay. Now look how to solve this numerical. So first of all, we can assume the value of the limit x tends to infinite fx is equal to lambda. So let limit x tends to infinite fx is equal to lambda, where lambda is a finite value. Okay. And definitely the value of lambda is greater than 0, as fx is greater than 0 for every real values of x. So we can write lambda should be greater than 0. Okay. Now by assumption, if limit x tends to infinite fx is equal to lambda, so definitely limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 1 is also lambda, and limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 2 is also lambda. Okay. So we can write limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 1 is equal to lambda, and also limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 2 is equal to lambda. Okay. Now come to the question. We have fx is equal to 1 upon 3 f of x plus 1 plus 5 divided by f of x plus 2. This we have. Okay. Now if we take limit x tends to infinite in all side, we get limit x tends to infinite fx equal to 1 upon 3 limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 1 plus 5 divided by limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 2. Is it? Now already we assumed limit x tends to infinite fx is equal to lambda. So instead of limit x tends to infinite fx, we are writing lambda equal to 1 upon 3 limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 1 is also lambda. Also limit x tends to infinite f of x plus 2 equal to lambda. Okay. So now easily we can find the value of lambda from this equation. So solving, this is 3 lambda is equal to lambda plus 5 by lambda. Okay. So in the next step, it is 2 lambda is equal to 5 by lambda. So definitely the value of lambda squared is equal to 5 by 2. So the value of lambda is obviously root over 5 by 2, not plus minus root over 5 by 2, because lambda is greater than 0. Okay. So the value of lambda is equal to square root of 5 by 2. So in this way we can easily solve this numerical. I think it is a very good trick and easy trick, okay, and interesting trick also. Now come to the next question. So friends, let's have a look on another good example. We have to find the value of limit x tends to 0 tan of box of minus pi square into x square minus tan of box of minus pi square whole into x square divided by sine square x. Okay. Now to solve this numerical, first of all we have to think what is the value of box of minus pi square. So box of minus pi square is nothing but minus 10. So the limit can be written as limit x tends to 0 tan of minus 10x square minus tan of minus 10 whole x square divided by sine square x. Okay. Now we know tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Applying this, the limit can be written as limit x tends to 0 tan of minus 10x square is minus tan 10x square. Similarly, tan of minus 10 is minus tan 10. So this minus minus plus tan of 10 whole into x square divided by sine square x. Okay. Now in the next step we can written as it is limit x tends to 0 minus tan 10x square divided by 10x square into 10, okay, plus tan 10 into x square by x square, okay, whole divided by sine square x divided by x square. Okay. So basically we divide both numerator and denominator by x square. So this is tan 10 x square by x square. This is tan 10 into x square by x square, and this is sine square x by x square. And here we write 10x square, that is why we adjust by 10. Okay. So in the next step we can written as this is equal to minus limit x tends to 0 tan of 10x square divided by 10x square, and as 10 is constant, so we can put outside. Okay, clear? Plus tan 10 is constant, so this is tan 10 into limit x tends to 0 x square by x square, that is nothing but 1 whole divided by limit x tends to 0 sin x by x whole square. So we can write this is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x whole square. Okay. Now it is easy to solve this. because we can directly apply the formula. Limit x tends to 0, tan of mx divided by mx is equal to 1, and limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Okay, so in the next step it is minus 10 into 1 plus tan 10 into 1 whole divided by 1 square. So what is the result? The result will be tan 10 minus of 10. Okay, clear? So I think it is a easy question, but it is a tricky question. So remember this trick. Now come to the next question.